Yo, what is up, everybody? Good morning. All right, everybody. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? What is going on? Welcome to Thursday, or God, what are we? Thursday. Guys know what had happened. CPI news went out, and you guys seen what plays happened. A lot of people blew accounts, lost a lot of money. A lot of people made a lot of money, and strive for the best for their account. So, let me first and foremost, hold on. I had to change that because I was like, yeah, messing me up. All right, guys. So, so let's go ahead and get to today's session. Let's see if we can get some trades in. So far we've been pretty good with everything. For everybody that's just tapping in, just to let y'all know, tomorrow is the last day for you guys to get with the Henko trade. Make sure you have a Henko trade account with $100 in that account, and if you have the most profits based off the 5 or 4 people we are choosing, you will get $500. So make sure you tap into that. That link is in the description. Let's see, guys, tapping in where everybody's from. Somebody said I was blown on gold and I was in a buy, but my broker didn't let me enter. Man, that's gotta suck. It's definitely a good morning. You catch a big move. I ain't catch nothing. I ain't mad. I ain't catch nothing. Bro, it's 14 wins and two losses, not 13. Oh, we got 14 wins live? Hold on. Christian, is there anybody in here that agrees with what he said? Sorry. We got 14 wins instead of 13. It's 14? What am I missing out on? All right, it's probably 14. I'll probably just you know. All right, so that's what's up. I didn't realize we was at 14. Yo, oh, the GU trade. Yeah, the GU trade. Yeah, I thought I posted that. Oh, I thought I put that in there. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get into today's stream. What's good, Sway? What's good? Everybody's tapping in. Anthony, what's good? All right, so So first and foremost, this is what we got going on. We got to start with dollar. Now, I posted a signal with dollar expecting it to actually come up first and then do this. I was literally looking for dollar to do this exact play, and I'm explaining why in a bit. But if we had on a 4 hour, 5 minute, that's, I think, no, 1 minute. It was 1 minute. If we hit on a 1 minute, I was literally, and I know some of y'all already in the Discord community in the VIP section. I wanted this one to play out well. During news, I knew news was coming, but I knew like all of my buys was just right. What ended up happening was it never tapped up here, and it just went straight down. So I was like, all right, forget this trade. We're gonna simply just have to wait for another play. So as you guys seen, obviously market shot down. Anticipated this yesterday, guys. We anticipated this yesterday. all of this area right here is all liquidity. All liquidity. There's so much build up in here. It's almost hard for me to tell you guys which level it's actually going to react off of. So that's why I put this big demand zone. It already tapped out of all this liquidity. Now it looks like it wants to tap into this liquidity. So this is now where I can maybe start refining and making it more structured. So with dollar, guys, it's going to be going down. Like there's going down. I literally said this yesterday and I think the other day, where if dollar heads up to this area, look for sales. If it goes past this, then our bias has to shift. We got to figure out what's going on. So I'm trying to tell you guys that we got to understand the overall bias. Overall bias is an uptrend, but as far as internal, what's going on inside, minor structures, what we call it, it's heading down. So dollar is going down. Don't be thinking that oh, it's going to go up now because we are in a demand zone. We're not in a demand. Well, we're in a demand zone now. But right now, we're not in any sense to be buying until market structure tells us. So if dollar's still heading down, gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, the ones that I have here, gold, Euro, GBP USD, shall be heading up still. All right, so now that we got our whole bias with dollar, let's look at gold. So gold, it's been shooting up and it's going to continue to shoot up. I literally posted this yesterday, guys. I said I have no idea what gold is doing based off all of this right here. I knew we were in this area of structure that I was looking for it to sell, but this is why we wait on structure to form first. I know a lot of you guys were selling gold right now last night, yesterday, but I had said in my live stream, I'm not looking to do anything with gold until we break out of these lows, and we never did. So rest in peace to everybody that had shorted the gold. Because trying to tell y'all, do not trade off what you think, trade off what you see. Right now we see it going up. Hold on, I need everybody to tap this like button for me. Tap the like button. We got 200 people on here and we have not even 100 likes. I ain't going into nothing until we get the 100 likes. We got to show support with this channel. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So now that gold is up, what we shall expect. Don't be thinking that, oh, I'm going to sell it now because we're up. We're up. We're scalping, so we can look for sales and we can look for shorts. I'm about to show you how we about to get some crazy trades if we could today. But I'm just doing an overall markup right now, and then we're gonna start looking to some trades. So gold right now is heading up. Excuse me, golly, y'all. This music is killing me. All right, so yeah, gold is heading up. Now if we look on a daily scale, even a 4-hour, but we can do daily. How far could gold head up? Well, I will anticipate it, seeing that this is my high range, this is my low range. We talk about range all the time. What's in the range is an impulsive trend. BE, good morning. What's going on, y'all? So that being said, what I'm looking for is market to come into an extreme. A lot of y'all might know this already. An extreme point, or I'm looking for it to come into a midpoint. Where's my extreme point on this trend? Well, we have this area here and also these areas here. We're already tapping into these areas here. So that being said, this is what I can see market doing, coming down from this area, coming down from this area. But we're not selling it just because I'm saying that. We still had to wait on structure to break through, pull, and then get in. All right, so that was easy. What we got for euros, the exact same thing what we should have for gold. So euro already had this markup, I guess, yesterday, right, guys? We had this marked up yesterday. Oh, guess what? It's doing this liquidity phase thing. We talk about this all the time. What is this liquidity phase that I always mention? If I see equal lows resting somewhere and it takes them out first, going down, that must mean market is still going to be a downtrend, but before it goes down, it has to do a liquidity phase up. So it has to take liquidity on a high. So where do you see equal highs resting? Well, if you look here, what do we have? Equal highs resting. So when that happens, market will tap this liquidity, and then as it does that, it will come into a POI level, which is this one right here. Y'all see that little area right there? A lot of y'all would have missed out on this one, or y'all probably would have had this one because y'all would have seen it as a major key level, which is fine, a support level, which is fine, and a resistance level is fine. Also, another level of interest for me is up here. Why do I have this level up here? Well, I have two ranges going on right now. Yeah, I can zoom in. My bad, y'all. I got two ranges going on right now. My first range is tapped from here to here. Actually, I got three ranges. Sorry. This is my first range. We're already passing that one, but looks like we could react off of this range. As we are reacting off this range, it could be a possibility that we can even tap further up into this range. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Where's my midpoint on my biggest? Right here. And my extreme will be here. Where's my midpoint on this range? All of this right here. And my extreme will be right there. My extreme already got tapped on this one, so I can just leave that one alone because it's going past it. So that's what we got going on. Talk about this all the time. I promise y'all. When I speak, what is point of interest? Point of interest is an order block, supply demand, key levels, institutional levels, major key levels, support and resistance if I didn't say that already. Or you can also look at it highs and lows. It's all of that in one. That's why I say POI. Or to make it even better, I just say an extreme point and a midpoint. That's all I do. All right, so, and I'm going to say this right here because a lot of people will say this is an order block. A lot of people will say this is a major key level because if we extend it out, it's a major key level. A lot of people will say this is an institutional level. A lot of people will say that this is a high or a low. A lot of people will call this support or resistance. That's why I just stick with the simple midpoint, extreme point, or POI. That's all. What time frame? Look at it here, daily. It says the daily, or you can look right up here, daily. I got a watermark. I don't know if that was why you asked what time frame, but pretty sure. Anyway, so yeah, guys, if we're gonna go up, I'm gonna still stick it with the up move. Even though we're coming in this area here, we can still possibly look for some up moves. Now, since today is a little crazy, I am going to pull out an indicator. Y'all probably, this is the first time y'all actually probably see me pull out an indicator in my life, and that's going to be the RSI. The RSI, I'm only going to use it for one thing, not oversold or not overbought. Actually, I don't like these lines at all. I don't even know why I have them here. I'm going to just keep the 50 just to keep it and knowing where we at least. So all I use the RSI for is divergence. Once I see it, I can believe it. But once I believe it, I still don't trade it because I'm still trading off what I think. So this is what I see. I see a divergent move. We're already tapping out of or tapping into a POI level. That being said, this is all I want to see. Market break this low. Once it does, we can do one or two things. This is going to be a risky trade if we trade the breakout immediately, or we can trade the breakout and then wait on the pullback and then enter. That's our trade for Euro. So we're going to keep our eyes open for Euro. Skippo, you said 5-minute time frame good for entry and scalping. Absolutely. 15-minute is really good for both if you want to keep it in between, but 5 is still good too. I need everybody to tap that like button. I'm not going to continue till we get this to 200 likes. We got 300 people right now. Let's get this to 200 likes. $200 likes, then we up. Exactly. Thank you. Likes cost y'all absolutely nothing. I'm literally giving y'all so much free knowledge right now, from damn near a masterclass, from damn near just, I'm not giving y'all like signals. I'm not saying, oh, bye. I'm telling you what I'm getting in, but y'all can use that as signals. I mean, and I'm giving you guys live like markups. And all I ask for is just a like. All I ask for is just a like. That's not too much to ask for. All right, there we go. 200 likes. I like that. All right, guys. So let's see. Cat news out. Yeah, we got news for Cat. That's out. Are you going live? Are you going to be live tomorrow? I'm only going to be live tomorrow in the Discord, the VIP. You sick, bro? Man, I think I am. Let's see. Do you use a higher time frame to mark up your charts, then trade on a smaller time frame? Absolutely, all the time. Got it for sure. Appreciate that. It was hard finding this channel for real, for real. Oh yeah, well I'm glad you here now. Run them likes up. We getting so much game. Yeah, run them likes up. You live next week? Absolutely, I'm live on Monday. All right, guys. So Euro play. Let me go ahead and say this. Type this in. What's this right here, y'all? Is this 1.01451? Yeah, we looking for that Euro play. Because we got divergence on my RSI. That's one confirmation. I always look for 3 confirmations, guys. Is this live? Yes, this is live. I wish I knew your name. You don't have no name, but yes, this is live. Guys, I'm waiting. I'm looking for 3 confirmations. One confirmation is we got this RSI telling me divergence. That's one. And then second indication is that we came into a POI level from a range, which is my midpoint of that range. And the third confirmation would be a price action pattern or a market structure shift. It's one of those 2. This is Kevin. Sorry, fam. What's up, Kevin? So yeah, guys, so that's what we got tapping in for that. Gold should be doing the same thing. As you see, we got divergence for gold. Everybody's still going to be like, oh, can we sell? Can we sell it? Nope, not yet. Gold had created no structural low except for right here. So that being said, this is what we could get for gold, even though we still got divergence. Let me remove that, because once I start adding the RSI, everybody gets confused. We can just simply be like, boom. If market creates a new low here, we can still see it tap in here and then come further up. That can happen. So Euro got my eyes, got my attention. Let's look at GBP USD. So GBP USD is extremely choppy right now. It's like choppy, guys. It's really choppy for me, but we still got opportunities because I do see this here and that there's my range, as well as this and that. Those 2 areas are literally my range. So that being said, what we need to see is, what the hell could we do with UJ? So honestly, I'm probably gonna bypass on this for right now, just because I want to pay more attention to this one, like a little bit more attention. All right, guys. So GBP Yen, I posted this one in the Discord. I think just in the VIP section. I'm not sure, but I know I posted this one saying this is all we're looking for, and so far it's doing what we wanted to do. We tapped into my mid range, which is all it is here. Even we came up into this area, not necessarily all the way up there, but we tapped into this area right here. I said we were doing a liquidity phase, which is really all it is now that we got it more structured. Liquidity phase 1, it grabbed liquidity. If it grabs liquidity going down 1, or if it grabs liquidity going down first, just know the overall picture is still down. That's the theory. Secondly, we grab liquidity going up. See, equal highs. Right when it grabs liquidity going up, it's going to come into a POI level. Guys, for those that don't know, once again, that's new. What a POI level is, it's everything that you are familiar with when it comes to any structural strategy, from an order block, supply, demand, institutional levels, highs, lows. Really, that's what it comes down to. So, in support and resistance. Because if I was literally tell you guys support and resistance, everything is resting right here. This is an order block, maybe in some eyes. This right here could be a supply level, maybe some eyes, or this can be a key level, like a major key level in some eyes, because you're drawing it all the way out here, or this could be a support level, institutional level. That's what I'm saying. It all is the same shit. But at the end of the day, it's a structure, a settlement. Wherever you see a green and a red candle, that means price settled there for a reason. And if price settled there for a reason, that is liquidity that is chilling there, that banks are going to come back to. That is why every time you see a green and a red candle and price coming back to one of those areas, that's because banks know there's money there. That's why a lot of these structural strategies are rebranded. Order block, supply, demand, key levels, Fibonacci, or not Fibonacci, POI, area of interest, mitigation areas, mitigation zones. All of that comes right back to the fundamentals of technical analysis that I fucking teach every time to my students, is that stop worrying about every other phrase out there and understand the reaction. And the reaction of structure is, if you fucking see a green and a red candle, that area is an interest, and banks are more likely to come to that level. It's what you got to understand is what level could it react off of. And that's where I'm talking about midpoint and extreme. So that being said, I'm looking on what is this, GJ to shoot down still. Actually, if you guys see, we got another whole equal lows liquidity phase. So I wanted to probably tap in here again, pull back up. Why did I have this pull back up right here? Because I'm anticipating another range to form, which it is doing exactly right now. And then as it's doing this, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is what, based off experience, this is what I can see. This is my range right now, potentially, right? We won't know until we break out of this high if this is the correct. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm pretty sure if we tap in on this 2 minute, really 2 minute, 1 minute, you see some of these levels right here. For those that tells me, oh, do you trade the ICT method? I know a lot of y'all know he talks about the fair value gap or imbalance a lot, right? And that's really this right here. But I'm about to plug y'all into something. Inside of that fair value gap is resting a settlement. What is a settlement again? A POI level. What is a POI level again? A supply, demand, major key level, support, resistance, so forth. What do we have right there? Green and red. Mine's is blue and black. So that is my midpoint. That is how I find these tighter, like tighter points of interest, right? That I want market to tap into. So instead of me drawing this big ass box right here, for trying to think that, oh, anywhere in here can come to, I can go on a smaller scale and realize that right there, like 90% of traders will miss out on, is really where it's actually most likely coming to. So that being said, we're not looking for any trade until we tap in here, because I'm looking for a downtrend. So we got our bias set for GJ. Let me go ahead and add this to my notes so y'all, for us in here, we're going to go ahead and mention that. Perfect. People don't understand the gem I'm giving. I swear to gosh, they don't. Sean, they don't. I'm giving so much gems, y'all. I'm about to tell y'all again. Let's hit these likes. Let's hit these likes. Let's get these likes up, guys. We 26 minutes in, and I'm already giving y'all like, I'm like so much gems, you know. I know there's people out there that charges for this, but hey, all I ask for is a like. That's all I ask for. Yeah, this is TradingView. Do you trade on Trading? Oh, do I actually trade on TradingView? Nah. I don't know if y'all been noticing, or if y'all noticed this. Hold on, let me plug y'all real fast. I don't know if y'all noticed this, but MetaQuotes is actually trying to really step up their game right now. MetaQuotes is legitimately trying to step up their game right now. This is all meta quotes right here, guys. This is meta quotes. So they trying to get on the trading view level, and it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. So if you guys have a broker, obviously a lot of us do trade MT4, MT5. This is what we can use moving forth, so we don't have to always go back to trading view. So if you guys want it, it's called trade.metatrader. Oh, hold on, let me just type it. It's trade.metatrader5.com. I just got a notification this morning from, I'm pretty sure all y'all got the notification from MT5 or MT4 if you have it on your phone. If you got the app, they just send out an like a notification announcement saying y'all can now trade on the website. So it's kind of dope. That's kind of dope. So I'm gonna possibly be slowly dissecting to this right here, because this is what I want, because this is the actual facts. Like, you know, sometimes I put a TP and then y'all go on y'all broker, it doesn't even hit it, but then on TradingView it does. So yeah, just keep y'all eyes open on this one, and they even got a snapshot. Like, look at that. Y'all see that little picture right there? A snapshot. That's pretty dope. I like that. I like that a lot. They're really trying to step up their game, and this right here definitely did it. But we'll look into this later, y'all, because I still gotta see how to really work that one. It's way better than the software. I can tell y'all that. They just don't have everything that TradingView has right now. That's the only downfall. That's the only downfall. You can add all your indicators here. It's pretty dope. Yeah, you should. Yep, you can log into your account on a MT5 thing. All right, let's go back here. All right, guys. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. I don't trade GBP CAD. I only trade all of this here. Oh, snap. Hold on. I see liquidity. Do I? Not really. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Not yet, y'all. All right, guys. So we waiting on GJ. Let's get into USD. So what's going on with USD yen? Same exact thing. Whatever is going on with dollar. All of this is just a minor setback for a bigger play. And the bigger play is, I'm gonna delete all that. The bigger play is, delete all that, my range. I have two ranges, 1 and 2. So where's my extreme here? That would be all of this right here. Yes, you can start going to smaller scale to start making it look a little bit nicer and clean. But at the end of the day, it's all of this here. It's all structured. Now, if it decides to go further down, this little pullback right there is another level of interest for me. But dollar, like I said, dollar right now is in a demand zone level. So it's kind of like we could be, maybe next week we might start seeing market actually heading up. Otherwise, dollar's just going to be dropping. Great question. You said, how do I decide what pair I want to trade? I decide based off my setups. If I get a setup, then I get it. Now enter in it. If I don't, then that's pretty much what it is. So like, Euro USD, we waiting on that. Now, guys, look, it created some new lows, which is here. So since it created a new low, we got to adjust this. So I'm gonna have to tell y'all that the new low we are going to wait for Euro would be 0.01.01588. You asked me, what did you say? Do I think the market will correct itself a bit? Usually when the market is super aggressive, it will start doing corrections for a long time. I didn't expect CPI to do something this dramatic, but hey. So USD yen, I'm not really interested in anything right now. Not yet. Let's go into NASDAQ, man. I'm interested in NASDAQ possibly. So y'all know yesterday I said the play for NASDAQ end up playing out very well. This was right here. That played out very well. Now y'all see NASDAQ broke through our midpoint. If we now go on a higher scale, really it's just shooting up, and the only levels areas that I see is all of this right here. So let me go on a 4-hour real fast and see. Yeah, all of that right there. We already checked gold. We already checked the gold. There was nothing interesting with gold right now. All right, guys, let's get this to 300 likes. 300 likes. Y'all know all I ask for is a like in this. All right, cool. So look, NASDAQ is still going up, and all honesty, I'm gonna be looking for up moves. That's it. That's really it. So like right now, literally right now, we would be in a buy. Let me see. Yeah, it's reacting. Oh shoot, this one is nice right here. All right, guys, we're gonna do 30-second entry. I see something. So what I see is that we just tapped into our midpoint of this range from here to here. That's the midpoint. The extreme would have been there. We already broke out of this high, so that confirms that market is just going to react off this midpoint most likely. So I don't never like to get in while price is already at its premium, but what I do want to see is if I can find the range here. We're just waiting on this high part to finish, or sorry, we're waiting on the lows to be broken. Once we see a low has formed and broke, and then if so, what we can expect is market to come back down to this midpoint, or even come further down back to this extreme, and then shoot up. Very simple. These are setups that we get all the time. 30-second entries. Yes, sir. So let's keep our eyes on NASDAQ. We got to wait on structure to form. I'm not going to say let's sell it now, let's buy it now. We got to wait on structure to form. I have mentors that charge thousands of dollars to learn what Solo is teaching. It's best to soak it all in. He's giving. Tap into the private group if he what? If he because it ain't no. Oh, okay, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. We haven't even went into VTI yet. We got to go into there too. We got to look at VTI. So US30's been. I don't know what's going on with US30. I swear US30's just sometimes just don't do it much. So let's go into VTI now since we get into index. Ah, y'all see that? That crazy spike? Look at that. Look at that jump. Peter, or I can't even, my bad if I can't really, I'm trying to see y'all now. I don't know if it say Peter or Pete or whatever, but I'm sorry, I can't. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna talk about somebody else's predictions, because everybody got their own analysis, and it's kind of like that's their style. So I'm not gonna be like, oh no, he's wrong or he's right. You know, Pedro Trey, yeah, I learned. DY, right? Yeah, okay, DY. I need to make this chat bigger on my end because I cannot see nothing. It jumps like this because of news. It jumps like this because of news. That's why it's jumping like this. Then dollar is dropping still. And then we see, let's see. Do I trade with news? Yeah, I do. I was trying to catch a dollar trade, but it didn't even play out because it just said, nope, we're just going to go straight down. Anyone to retest. That's pretty much what we did. I already marked up all the charts. Honestly, it was that simple because I just did daily 1 hour, and then I think we just went straight to like 1 minute and 5 minute. Can you mark up? Oh, that's, oh, okay. So let's see. I'm still waiting on this NAS to start going down so we can possibly get in for a buy. Y'all see this low that's forming right here? This is what I like to see so I can know what's the range, the most recent range. We can almost look for buys for GJ too. I'm about to teach y'all how I do that while I'm looking for a short still. It's the same storyline I do on a higher scale. Yeah, I got my alerts on. My alert right there. Let me make sure. And I got this alert right here. Actually, let me add this alert instead. Yeah, gold is frustrating. That's why we ain't even looking at it right now. It's doing nothing for me. Interest. It's just not doing nothing of interest. And I don't like taking 30-second trades on gold too. The spreads is just a little crazy. You said, bro, the stuff Solo is showing in here. I brought a course for $400. Wow. Y'all hear it? Why my trading view looks like that? Because I'm zoomed in. Yeah, I don't know if that's what you're asking. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I'm on a 30-second. You bought it 2 years ago. How many pairs can you trade when you're scalping? You can trade as many as you want. Everybody, let's tap in. Let's get this to 300 likes. Let's tap in, guys. 300 likes. $300 likes. We got 400 people in here. If I can like it again, there we go. That's what's up. Yeah, the group I was in was $200 a month. Wow, you paid $200 a month. That's what's up, I guess. That's not what's up, actually. But I feel you, though. We're going to be trading live now? Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's definitely what we're doing now. I do trade outside of the stream. Like, you know, I do call out some trades. Hey, look at this. Oh, wait, hold up. We finally got it to break this structure. So this is now my range I can sell. Tell you guys that midpoint, extreme. So I kind of want to see this happen. Now y'all probably gonna ask me, well, can we sell it then if you think it's gonna go down? No, I still gotta wait on the setup. because I could still be wrong at this given moment. That's one thing about trading, guys. You gotta always, if you want to trade the opposite way, because your bias is set to everything that you have as far as your facts, as far as how you would analyze your market structure or whatever, you still want to make sure your rules is the same that you did on a higher scale, whatever time frame you were on. So like for me, if I'm telling y'all like this is what I'm looking for, this is what I see, I gotta say the same exact thing on a smaller scale if I want to even enter in. You feel me? So it's kind of like you got to repeat yourself again. Cause I'll be like, oh, let's sell it, and we try to sell it. Look, it's going to tap up now, and it could still tap up further, come up a little bit more, create another high range, and then tap down. That's what we got to understand. All right, so let's do this. Let me see, guys. Hold on. Before I get into another trade, I gotta make sure I'm 100% correct for myself with NAS. All right, let's see. So, like I said, this was my low. We broke through it. However, I wanted to tap into some of these levels here. Let's put an alert right here. And then let's just wait and see what happens. Because it could still come up a little bit more. Because now if I'm looking at this off of 1 minute. Yeah. This is my range. Technically got to break this low for me to be like the range is officially broken and we can look for some down moves. Otherwise I'm looking for up moves because it's been going up. Now let's get back with GBP yen, because I know I wanted to take some trades with this one, but it's too choppy right now. I like this, I don't like this. So if I go, let's see, y'all. Yes, Michelle, please, let's get this to 400 likes. Let's see though. Hold on, y'all. I got a question. Drop a fire emoji if you made money today, and drop a and drop another. Let's say drop any other emoji if you lost money today. Somebody put it. So we got 50-50 right now. So I'm trying to tell y'all 50-50, man. Some people made money, some people lost money. So the people that made the money, y'all basically got the money from the ones that lost the money. That's what ended up really happening. That's usually how market works though. All right, guys. So I'm still looking on GJ to still spike down though a little bit, like still spike down a little bit, just because there's so much build up here. But if it doesn't, let's see. We gotta see on a smaller scale though. I mean, on a smaller scale, like a 1 minute, all we're doing is going down. So I don't think we'll be able to catch a downtrend because it's so choppy. But for an uptrend, this is what I want to see. Let's just say theoretically this happens. Market comes down, taps down, let it break out that high, come into a midpoint, and then boom. Hold up, y'all. We might have something for gold. Yeah, nah. I need this to happen. A lot of y'all don't know, I do a lot of 30-second entries now. I do a lot of 30-second entries now, and I can't never call these out on my Discord because they be happening too fast. Yeah, I have absolutely no trades taken two for today. So for those that's tapping in, this is the account that I'm trying to work on. We started out with 4,000. Now we at 10. Blessings. That's blessings right there. So my goal is to get it to 40K. I think once I get it to like 18, 16, maybe 15, I'm gonna probably take out like 5,000 out. And then yeah, but I didn't get any trades today either. I wanted to get in dollar, but I had to do that with Offspring FX. That's my other account I got. You blew up my, so you unfortunately blew up my account, violated my rules, and got a little emotional. Got you. I'm a new subscriber. Anonymous, thank you. 400 likes, yes sir. Let's get it to 400 likes. I believe GJ is going to go up. I'm just waiting to see confirmation. I'm not going to trade it yet. I believe it's going to go up. Definitely see it going up. Hey, I got a question. How? Oh, hold on. We can't talk right now. We about to. Something just happened. What happened? Oh yeah. Okay, we breaking these lows. All right, no, that's cool. I got questions. How old do y'all think I look? How old do y'all think I look? Y'all right around there though. So believe it or not, no, I just turned 30 on my birthday. If I was to cut this off, I promise y'all would have been like, oh, he 19. How old are y'all? I want to know, like, who's our youngest trader in here? I know I had a 14-year-old I was teaching. I see somebody said 12. That's the young. Come on now, you can't even be on here for 12. I don't believe that. Talking about 4 years old, 14. I can believe that. 18, 2 years old. Y'all funny. Okay, cool. How long y'all been trading though? How long y'all been trading? All right, everybody, I want to know how long y'all been trading. I want to see who here. How long y'all been trading? 2 weeks, 2 years, 8 months, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. Damn, hold on, y'all going too fast. I can't catch up. Since 19. Okay, yeah, NASDAQ is going down, so we're gonna be ready for that. Hold on, I think somebody says 24 years or 24 months. Y'all going a little crazy. Hold on. 6 years. That's what's up. 10 years, 5 years, 2 months, 6 years. That's what's up. So 10 years. I think you might be 10 years on and off. Okay, I see a couple of y'all says 10 years. I'm looking now. I'm looking back. 10 years. For the ones that's been in for 10 years, 6 years, 8 years, y'all understand that trading is not the skill. And I want y'all, because I know y'all been in here longer than I have. And I know y'all know this. And I just want all the newcomers that's been trading for months to under 2 years to know that it is not the skill. It is, I swear to God, it's just all mental. Patience. When I say mental, this goes into patience, disciplining yourself, meaning you got to have rules, making sure you always stick to it. Understanding the balance of your mind and the balance of your emotions, how to control all of that. That's the key to trading. It took me 5 years to understand that, really 4 actually, but 5 is really when I was like, damn, you know what, I swear to God, it's all mental now. That's when I officially said stop. Like I stopped worrying about what's next, what's the next best thing, what's the next best strategy, or what's the next best concept. So the last concept that I told myself I was to get my feet into, or my mind into, just to tap in a little bit, was the Smart Money Concept. And after that, I was like, yeah, after I understood what was going on with Smart Money Concept, I just told myself officially, I swear to God, y'all, it's not the skills. It's not. I mean, it's not the skills, it's the mental. Because when I started reading and understanding it, I was understanding, like, I started realizing that all of this is the same shit as Whack Off. All of this is the same shit as Elliott Wave. They are the same shit as this and that. And that's when I actually finally understood that, damn, everything is just our own delusion of how we look at market, but it's going to still do the same shit. So we all can be like, hey, this is an ABC pattern, which it really is. And if you are Elliott Wave trader, you would say ABC pattern. Get your Fibonacci out. You would have been like, it tapped into this level here. That's how I used to trade. Then for everybody else, like what we're teaching now, would have been like, oh, it came into our mid range. Now let's start looking for buys. And we are going to start looking for buys, by the way, y'all. So I'm saying everything's all the same shit. It's just a delusion of how you look at it. But it's always going to go the same way. It's not going to not go the same way. And when I understood that, I kid you not, everything fucking changed my mind. I don't even teach Elliott Wave like I used to anymore ever since I understood that. And I just understood this a year ago. It's crazy. So you don't have to always get into the new strategy, because that's not what's going to make you successful. All right, y'all. So I think we about to probably tap into NASDAQ. Risky trade is going to be a 30-second trade. I still want it to come down here though. That's like literally where I wanted to tap into. Hold on, y'all. Before we get in this, I just want a better position. Yeah, we got to tap down here. I need a better position. Because every time, for y'all that don't know, I do have another rules implemented, which is like, usually on the 30 seconds, I always want it to come to my extreme point if I do 30 seconds, because it's just 30-second entries are really risky, but I do very well with 30-second entries. I kid you not. I do very well with 30-second entries, but it's just still risky as fuck. So it's just like, I would rather, if I know I'm going to get in a crazy risk, I would rather like understand a better position. But if market does do something amazing, like really good here, meaning that maybe I get a nigga off in candle, I see a lot of wick rejections, I would just take it to the midpoint. That's the only time I would shift my bias. Yes, you always want to look for a minimum first and then keep riding after that. You want to try to make this trade risk free as much as possible. All right, so see, like right now it's doing really good. I'm in it. I am in it right now. If I can fucking find it. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm only going to do a small lot. I'm actually going to do 2 entries. All Oh shit, hold on. Okay, that was crazy. If I'm in it, where's my TP at? I want it resting right here at this high. That's TP1. These highs. And then I'm gonna look for my field point to give me my next bias. Oh gosh, that's perfect. TP2 is here, right here. Fuck, that's perfect, y'all. Currently in these two trades right now. All right, my one-on-one just smashed. I'm about to get out, y'all, because I know every broker is different sometimes. And then I'm gonna hold this trade right here. So I'm about to move my stop loss to break even. I can't even. Okay, I gotta do it on my phone. Yeah, it has different values. That's why I got out mine now. But mine was a 101. Euro just hitting our alert. We're gonna check that out in a bit. But hold on, let me add my stop loss to break even. All right, I added my stop loss to break even. We officially hit TP1. Stop playing with us, y'all. Come on. Look at this. We are doing good right now. If it hits me out, it hits me out. I'm gonna show y'all right here. My stop loss. Hold on. Damn, everything going off right now, y'all. Everything is going off right now. So if this trade goes against me, I still make $13. Risk free. Trying to tell y'all. At the end of the day, I made $200. This trade is risk free at this point. I don't care. I do not care what goes happen. I don't care what happens from here. Damn, did I change this, y'all? 27. Do we got 28? Make this trade risk free now. If we hit stop loss, it is what it is. We can always look for re-entries. All right, let's check out what did dollar do. Dollar broke out the high, so euro must be dropping now, and it is. This is perfect. What else broke our structure, y'all? Was it GJ? Something else. I got news for something else. Oh no, it was dollar. And all right, so if dollar broke this high, it's going to pull back probably to this low and then shoot up. So if that's the case, dollar's got to come up to this midpoint. It can even come to this extreme, but I'm more interested in this midpoint. We're going to look for a short position, 101 here at these lows, and then we can take it to this low next for 1 or 2. Can this be a 1 or 3 at this low? Yep. So that's what we got then. Cool. 101, 1 or 2, 1 or 3, or whatever percent y'all risking, it'll be whatever that is. I'm showing you guys how I trade, how I ride trades. I usually don't do get out half because it'd be too quick if I'm scalping. So I usually get in 2 positions at the same time. But we'll see what happens. Guys, we got 500 people. Let's tap in, man. Let's tap in. Let's get this to 400 likes. 400 likes. My leverage is 1 to 500. Let's get this to 400 likes. Otherwise, I can't send out other signals. 400 likes. I'm curious to know, my latency should be low latency. I should do ultra low next time. 400 likes, 400 likes. And then we can continue on. Still riding NASDAQ 100. It's at break free. It's at risk free. If it goes left, I still made $13. This right here is the greed that not 90% of people can't handle. They're like, oh no, I'm gonna get out now, or they're like, oh no, I'm gonna keep my stop loss still where it's at. Trying to show y'all that it's not the skills, it's the way you handle your mental overall. Let me add an alert here too. I'm not interested in gold right now. I swear, I just don't know why. It's just not doing fast enough moves for me. Yeah, my phone be going off with these alerts. All right, y'all, we about to tap into my midpoint for Euro. Oh, we got 400 likes? We ain't even got 400 likes. What am I doing? We gonna stop until we get 400 likes. No, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm not like that. That's funny though. But yeah, we tapping up. We tapping up. We tapping up. We tapping up. We are tapping up. Yep, we just broke through my midpoint. That's perfect. All right, I'm exiting. You don't have to exit this out, but just know that it can still come to your extreme, which is all of this right here. Oh, this is going to be a better trade for us, y'all. If that can happen, that would be a way better trade. But let's still keep our bias set for here. Let me add another position up here so I can figure out my risk. Yeah, this would be a way better trade for us if we could tap up here. I love when it comes to the extreme. I'm using Hanko Trade as my broker. You see right there, down there. Number one broker I use is Hanko Trade. We're doing a giveaway too, by the way, with Hanko Trade. But like when it comes to like another pair, I look at like dollar. If I want to trade dollar, iSpring FX is who I use. Hanko Trade is who I use when I really want to grow an account. And then iSpring FX is great because the redraws is just amazing to me. Like I can just request it and it's an easy process. I did my first big withdrawal with Hanko Trade. It was funny. They had called me and said, "Hey, we noticed you did a pretty big withdrawal. We making sure that was you, and such and such." I'm like, "Yeah, just give me my money." I'm not in not Euro right now. I'm not in Euro. Are we still in NASDAQ? Yeah, we still in NASDAQ though. When it comes to the best spreads, it's Hanko trade. In my opinion, that's my opinion. Guys, notice how my fibs is aligning perfectly with this POI level up here. Shoot, even if I damn near might hit break even with my trade, I might probably re-enter. Because if you guys look, we got a new range forming, right? Right, this range here. So I'll be interested to see. So guys, the reason why I like scalping more than anything else is because usually no matter what time it is, you can always catch a nice little one. You can always catch like a nice little 1 or 2 trade, 1 or 3 trade, risk to reward. Maybe it could be 10 pips, 5 pips, but that's why I have that calculator that I keep showing you guys for anybody to say, oh, you only made 10 pips. But sheesh, if I still wanted to risk, let's just say theoretically I got a 10K account, right? And let's do this NASDAQ trade. Let's do this one right here. Let's put our entry in. We're looking at Forex, Euro USD. If I say I wanted to risk 10%, 500 leverage, entries here, take profit, we can go for the whole entire take profit, just to show you guys an example. Stop loss. Just for me to still risk 10%, if this trade goes in my favor, I'll make $4,000 with a lot size of 11. Now, let's say that this was, how many pips was that, by the way? This is 39 pips. A lot of people be like, that's nothing. Well, y'all see, it's not about the pips. It's not about the pips. I talked about this yesterday. It's all about your percentage. For those that do not understand, this is why y'all need to understand. Does not matter if you're taking 10 pips or 20 pips. I do a lot of 10 pip trades. Y'all probably been seeing that. A lot of these wins have been about 10, 20, I think about 10 to 20 pips. But as y'all see, this is 14 pips. So it's really not about the pip, because if you want to, like I said, it's just really all about the percentage. You know, let's just say you want to go a little crazy, 20% off one trade. You can still make $3,000 off of 14 pips. So I'm trying to tell y'all, it's not about that. It's really not about that. Even if we just do 2%, the standard. 2%. Oh. If we do 2%, we're still going to make $300 risking 2%. It's not about any of that, guys. It's literally you understanding how structure is, or how the percentages is. So we're still in NASDAQ, I see. Yeah, people be too obese with pips, man. I know 10% is a lot. I'm just theoretically giving ideas out there, because I just want people to understand that it's not about the pips. It's about the percentage. Shit, you cannot do 10% on the funded account. All right. I see market is actually reacting off this midpoint now. All right, cool, guys. Another 30-second entry about to come. Watch how this one just shoots down and not even pull back. We broke this low. I had to go on 15 seconds to find my POI levels. Damn, look at that. Euro is shooting down. Wow, if Euro's shooting down while dollar's shooting down, oh, y'all know. Euro's about to be a strong downtrend right now. If we catching this momentum shifting it down, but then Euro is not shifting down, it's about to be a strong momentum going down. Some levels I wanted to tap into would be here and possibly down here. All this liquidity that is building up right now. And it's building up all this liquidity here too. All right, y'all. I think I might get in Euro too. 101 is here, 102 is here, and 103 is there. But damn, that's a big candle right there. Hold on. Like the closure of the candle, close and see that wasn't it. I need a stronger candle. But I got my trade ready for 5 lots. Damn, you lost your fund account due to CPI? Rest in peace, man. I had lost my fund account too due to news. My FTMO one. Yeah, I took it. How many times? I think 3 times. 2 times I failed, and the 3rd time I got it, and then I lost it like in 2 weeks. And then I said, all right, you know what? Next time I get in, I'm gonna take this real serious. And then, yeah, I decided just to do iSpring, and now I got 2 funded accounts with them. They small accounts. 10K and a 50K. Anonymous, I don't calculate how many pips my stop loss is. I calculate everything off percentage wise, but I don't know if your strategy is you might have a 10 pip rule, 20 pip stop loss rule. If that's the case, that's cool. Right now it's going to be about 8 pips, but I mean, we're not in anything right now though, because it looks like it wants to come up to this level now, which that's what I want. I would love for it to come up there, but yeah. Oh my gosh, NASDAQ is shooting up right now. See, this is a risk-free trade right now. Now this is where you could take 50% out if you want to, but oh yeah, guys, we tapping into a hold on. Oh, this would be a 62. Look at this. I'm about to tap out. Fuck it, I'm out. That TP right there, and then TP right there too. That's sweet, man. I love these type of reactions on the market. This is how I grow accounts, bro. I'm glad y'all can witness this live. Today is looking beautiful, man. $11K on my account so far. That's good. Like I said, my goal is to get it up a little bit more and then grow it from there, or then take some money out and then keep growing it, because at that point, once I take the money out, that account is risk free and it's over with. Somebody said they did 100% risk. I'm gonna do that too. No, I can't gamble for nothing. I suck going. When it comes to me going to a casino, I always lose my money. All right, guys, Euro is still tapping up, so we can eliminate that one trade there and focus on our extreme, which is what I really want to see. Let me put notes here because I know y'all asking me Yeah, sir. Guys, tap in, press the drop the fire emoji if you are making money with NASDAQ trade that I just got into. Drop the fire emoji if you also tapped into that NASDAQ trade. You said 23. What we saying 23 for? Real King, why you couldn't get in a trade? If y'all not subscribed already, definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss out on any of my live streams. You definitely do not want to miss out. Hey mate, earlier on you were on MT5 platform. Was that the web? Yeah, that's the so earlier. I was on the MT5 platform, the web version though. They're trying to step up their game like TradingView. Right now I'm using the TradingView app though on this desktop, so you probably see why you don't see like if I was on the browser, but yeah. Dollar is doing what it wants, what I want it to do. NASDAQ is still doing what I want to do. Here we got a new range from here to here. We can either tap right there. I know right now if I was going to 5 seconds, that's a level. 15 seconds, maybe too. And then also down here again. I use Hanko Trade and Offspring FX. So I trade futures. Yeah, I trade dollar. That's one. But other than that, no, I don't trade anything else. I do these every day except for Fridays, and I'm just because on Fridays I do it only with the community, and then on Mondays we do like live mentorships too. I think today is $700 made. That's usually my goal. I think hold on. I don't know, cause I think my goal is met if I was to look at it for dollar signs. 5, 6, yeah, about we can round it off to 7. Yeah, my goal was met today, so that's dope. I don't always go for something crazy until this account grows further on. My goal for this account would be different, but my daily consistent wise, guys, very consistent is like $700-800 a day. But man, I'm definitely gonna be tapping into it on bigger days for sure, and I want all y'all to witness that. All right, we about to tap TP2. We is about to tap TP2 risk-free trade, man. Yes, I always do two. Funded account, I would do take out half, and then but usually I would do 2 trades on my personal account, just for these reasons. And the reason why I do 2 trades is because it's quicker for me to exit. Because if you do it on like TradingView, you gotta tap the trade or come up here and then get out half of it. It's just too much. I only do that with a funded account. There ain't nothing happening. So once we tap this TP for NASDAQ, it's over with for any re-entries. Only thing that we got our mind set to is right now for Euro. Equity on this account is how much are you talking about for this account? It's at 11K. Yeah, anonymous. I know. Man, that'll be dope. That'll be dope if there's a something out there that will allow you. I think I should invent something like that. That'd be dope. Like overall equity. Oh, sheesh. I don't know. Like I said, I got a 50K account, funded account, 10K funded account. I have this account. I have 2 other accounts, and they're all literally about $8,000 right now. Like one is 8, one is literally about 4,000. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I have not been touching any account except for this one, cause I can't focus on too many accounts. Y'all know, like, oh, I gotta go in here, then I gotta go in there, and I gotta go in there. Like, I'm literally all focused on this one right now. So it's like my anxiety still be extremely high when I get in trades, because it's still like, damn, I'm live. Y'all can witness this. So it's like pressure, but it's fine pressure. I like this pressure. A lot of YouTubers like doing this because it's just dope. I don't know, and I condone any YouTuber that is live streaming right now. I know there's a lot out there that's live streaming. I condone anybody that's live streaming and showing their account while they're trading, because that takes a lot of gut power. And it's a mental thing that a lot of people still can't handle. I don't care if you've been trading for 20 years, 30 years. We are humans. Some people just can't handle it, and some people can. I condone anybody that's live trading in general. For real. I don't care if you got a funded account that you're showing or not, because you're still showing the trades that you're getting in. Don't you find it better with your skill set to 100K funded? No, I don't. It's this mental thing. I'm glad you said that. Regardless if I got a 100K account, 10K account, 50K account, I don't treat it any differently. I treat it the same, because at the end of the day, if I was to be like, oh, I'm gonna get a 100K account because my skill set is high, nah. I should kill a 10K account to get that to a 100K account if my skills is that good. Why you think I got a 4K account right now? Somebody said you should have a 20K account if you're this good. No, I don't need a 20K account. Why would I need a 20K account when I could get it to 20K from a 4K account or a 2K account or even $100? It's all about this. It's not about the amount of money you put in the or put in your pocket, or I mean in your broker. That means nothing. You start off with 200, now you're up 1,000. That's what's up. Try not to worry about growing y'all account so fast, because once y'all start doing that, you might grow it, and then you might do it again and fail and fail and fail and fail. Just worry about taking your time. Worry about what you are risking. Understand how much you're risking percentage-wise. Somebody asked, are we in Euro USD? Not yet. Waiting on the structure to form, which it looks like it might do right now. When I see a green and a red candle, that's a structure. Or mine is black and blue. Everybody's worried about the dollar amount too much. That's the thing. Especially anybody that's getting into the Forex game, because they always ask me, and I get it, because I was saying, well, we all just did the same. Obviously, we jumped into this to understand, to know how much we can make. The link to that, hold on, you're gonna have to wait. We watching this one for sure. Let me stay on the 1 minute. I'm not in it yet, guys. I'm gonna just tell you what I want to see. Yeah, right now it's dropping too much. That's what I want to see. Now if we go on the 15-second, now I can see a new range that it can tap into, and then from here we can start looking for ourselves, since it did break the low. It did this setup already. Low, broke, wanted to pull back in a range, and then we can look for a sell. Resting somewhere there. Yeah, dollar tapped in this level. We can start looking for them buys. I promise you, we probably got divergence. This all looks like this divergence. I can just see it. Yep. We got divergence. Cool. All right, y'all. I'm gonna tap in euro. I'm gonna tap in euro. You said good call on euro. We will see. Yeah, guys, hit that like button, man. Let's get this to 500. We down there at 600 people right now. We are down there at 600 people. Currently riding Euro USD. We already took the NAS trade for a buy. We still in it for some. Dollars going up possibly. I mean, come on, y'all. We gotta get that like. Let's go ahead and hit that like. Yeah, I'm in Euro USD. You said what indicators that black line with percentages? What are we talking about? What percentages? I don't know, bro. What you talking about? If you guys are ever interested in joining the VIP, all of that information is tapped in right here. Oh, we about to hit TP2 on the ass. I'm in the sell for Euro. I am currently in the sell for Euro. Okay. Currently in the sell for Euro. Oh, y'all keep asking me for. I just copied that and I didn't even. My idea stop loss is resting at 1.01796, and it looks like we're coming to that area now. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Because dollar can still drop to this extreme for sure. So let's just keep our eyes open. And if we get stopped out, I'm gonna definitely re-enter. Yeah, Euro probably might get out this one, y'all, because we got all of this here. We already broke out of that. No, I'm not gonna get out. Sorry, definitely not getting out. I don't know why I just said that. That's cap. This is the NASDAQ trade right here. I took profit, just to show you guys, I took profit at profit 1 here, and I wrote the trade further on to roughly here. That was earlier today. Those trades right there. Guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed so you can tap into what we got going on. Right now, we're currently in Euro. It is heading up to our stop loss. If we tap it, we will possibly look for another re-entry. Other than that, also, we took profit TP1 with NASDAQ, and now this trade is risk-free at this point. And you can still ride it, or you can get out now But at this point, everything is risk free. And then for dollar, like I said, I just know dollar is in a lot of liquidity areas zones, so it's kind of interesting to see what shall happen here. It's kind of interested to see what can happen here. I had learned, yeah, I did a lot of stuff. I came a long way, man. I did a lot of self-talk, teaching myself really. And then the VIP, basically what's in the VIP is that when I'm not live, I do a lot of other signals. Also, we do live mentorships as well. As well as that, I do a lot of trade ideas we post. It's not also me, guys. There is educational members in there that we have in there that post things out there too. So it's not all just me. So you guys do learn from other people that's, you know, successful and stuff, and knowing like what's going on in the markets. And yeah, so guys, you also want to tap in that. We do a live Asian session as well in the VIP. That means when I say I'm selling it to those levels, that's where I'm going to take profit at. But like I said, I think we just hit stop loss. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to look for re-entry on US30. I mean, Euro USD. Found you and subscribed. Oh, appreciate that. Appreciate that. It's almost kind of like with Euro 2. It can make sense for coming up to this level, but that's just too much. Like, if that's the case, yeah. It's like at this point, if that's the case, I'd rather just look for another re-entry up here and then tap down to these levels down here. Oh, yeah. NASDAQ just hit TP2. NASDAQ just hit TP2. Damn, that was a beautiful trade. That was definitely a beautiful trade. I'm not selling Euro yet. I'm just telling you what I see. Heck no, I do not do that, guys. That's one thing I do not do. I don't get in a trade when it comes and then no, I don't do that. I was saying that it would make sense. I'm actually gonna hold this trade out just because I do have guys, I do have the flexibility to, for sure. I'm gonna hold this trade out to this high right here. Reason being is because this is the overall range, right? You can call it POI level. Once again, a POI level can be supply demand, can be point of interest or order block. It can be this, it can be that. So yeah, that's why I call it POI level. This right here is my midpoint. Technically, all of this right here is all extreme. So that means I have to readjust my TP. I always have to do this, guys. It's resting at these lows here. Do TP2 roughly around here. These lows right there. Let me see. Fibonacci. Yep. Perfect. Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I tell you when I sell or when I get in to buy, can't enter again, I will wait on structure. I ain't even gonna lie. If at this point, if y'all want to re-enter, I'm holding my trade out, but it could still go left. Like, it could definitely still go left, and I'm fine with it going left. I mean, like, I'm completely fine with it going left if it goes left. But what I'm saying is, if you want to re-enter, you gotta wait on it to break out of these lows, which is this one here, and then when it breaks out, wait for it to pull back and then boom. Right now it looks like it's trying to create a range, so we gotta wait on all that. So do not enter if you are trying to enter again. I'm already in this one, but I know a lot of people asking for re-entry. I will not re-enter yet. I will get in another trade though if this play out just like how I mentioned, guys. I would definitely get in another trade, so I'll be riding 2 trades. But it's got to play out first. I'm just not going to get in it because I'm like, oh, I need this money. Nah, we ain't doing that. Am I trading NAS again? No, I'm done with NAS. They already hit all the TPs. I'm done with NAS. Ain't no reason for me to be greedy. I am done with it. Yeah, see, look, dollar came into this extreme, all of this. So that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. If you holding it, cool. That's what's up, business promo. Like I said, at this point, make sure that's trade risk free. You can go to the moon with this one if you want. I don't even care. But we smashed our TPs though. It's these alerts that keep hitting me. It's crazy. Gold, I'm not trading gold. This gold has not been doing anything interesting. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put something out. Let's see what's in here. The trade works out. Little got to your $50 plan. There first out. That's funny. You just said if the trade works out, you subscribe to the $50 plan. It'll pay the first month. That's funny. Hey man, you could have caught that NAS trade. You definitely would have made money off that one. Where was the 101 at? Was that the 101? It's really there. Okay. That's if we enter down there. I don't know. Oh, that was my original entry. I'm like, wait, what am I doing? So really, our 101 would be resting right there from that low. I use Hanko Trade. Information is literally all there. Found you today and made money with you, son. Same day. Yo, that's what's up, man. Yo, if this is your first time tapping in, drop the fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji. If this is your first time tapping in, drop the fire emoji. And y'all, let's get this to 500 likes. Let's get this to 500 likes. I appreciate all y'all for tapping in. That's new. I appreciate y'all. Please subscribe to my channel if y'all want to be tapped in on all my live streams. Y'all make sure y'all. Hey, re-entry for sure. I can see that coming right now. Let me wait on this to close. I might re-enter, y'all. Possibly. Hey, where my student at? Sway, I know you in here. What's up? Man, I love Sway analysis, man. He, like I said, man, he know what's up. Sway. Yo. I just see somebody just purchased the pro member. Welcome. If you just got tapped into it through YouTube, make sure you have a Discord and join the Discord. Cause you guys can actually buy it through Discord too. That was you? Appreciate it. Yeah, you guys can also, I said buy it through Discord. You can also tap into my VIP through YouTube. You know, you get the same access. I don't know if Sway here. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get another entry. All right, so I'm in these two trades. After these two trades goes in our favor or not, I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm in Euro USD. Yeah, make sure you join the Discord. If you have issues, contact support. Contact our support team. I have people that fix that stuff. So just contact the support team, and I will get that fixed for you. But you should be able to have access. The spreads are pretty good with Hanko Trade. Let me see if I can pull it up. So it kind of tells you where they start at, which is 0.0 pips for spreads. But honestly, like with Euro USD, is really, I'm in 5 lots right now. I'm gonna just show you. So can y'all see? I'm in 5 lots right now. So it's kind of like, you know, me being in 5 lots is not having to worry about my margins too high. That, you know, is really good with that. So that's why I like that. I mean, when it comes to major pairs, it's really good with spreads, and then also even with indices as well. So typically, like a broker that might have high spreads, you probably can't even get into certain things. You know what I'm saying? Because of the simple fact that their spreads is high. Not only that too, like they talk about here, they talk about margin cost, stop out levels are at 70 to 50%. So yeah, if you do ECN account, that's what I like to do. STP. I don't really do this one. But yeah. So so how it works with taxes is whoever your exchange is who should be doing your taxes. Like sending that out to the IRS or whatever. And then you gotta do it through them, not through the broker. Some brokers, like regulated brokers, I believe they will give you that info. But like offshore brokers, guys, y'all not finna. It's not about the broker in that instance. It's more about the exchange. I took Eurotrade because of the simple fact it was what was it doing? It was acting off of this range from here to here. This is my extreme. So I noticed that, and then I'm looking for it to tap down further. Ay, ay, ay. I don't trade anything that is not on my screen. Okay, you in profit. Let's not celebrate yet. We only celebrate when we actually hit the profit. I'm telling y'all, so many times I used to celebrate, oh, we in profit, and it went left, 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 left. We are acting off a minor range, though, for sure. Because dollar's also about to act off this range, too. And we got divergence. Look at this. Well, no, we don't. Depending on what time frame you're looking at. Higher scale, I know we do. You see how Euro's acting compared to gold? That's why I'm not trading gold right now. It's just too slow. If this was gold, we would be trading in gold right now. Yes, there is news. You know what? Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for fucking reminding me. There is news, guys, coming in. Yeah, 15 minutes. Thank you for reminding me. So be aware. It is it's medium news though. But yeah, it still can affect. I only move my stop loss like as far as like profit wise when it's and once it hit like my first TP or something. What time frame do you look for my extreme? That's a pretty wide, broad question because I look for it in any time frame. So like if I'm marking up my charts on a 5 minute, I scale down even smaller to look for the levels. If I'm on a 1 hour, I scale down smaller from a 1 hour and look for it. Hopefully that answers your question because there's no specific time frame that I look for an extreme. If I'm marking up my charts off the 1 minute right now, I would usually go 30 seconds and under to try to look for the levels, but I can see it off the 1 minute, so it's kind of like I don't need to do that. That makes sense. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna stay live for sure during these news. See what happens. It's in 15 minutes, so. Dollar's supposed to be retracing down too. Also, do you have a Telegram too? We working on also trying to get Telegram as well, but we just have a Discord. Yeah, this a Discord right now. $35 double top. We're not looking at US30 right now. So if you gonna keep saying the same thing, I'm gonna have to remove you from my channel. So I'm just letting you know. I'm warning you right now. That's what's up. You subscribe, notification on, video saved, join Discord. That's fire. Appreciate that. You said what? Wait for the pullback. Do you have the same figure as your arrow? What? You talking about this right here? Yeah. This was the breaker structure. A lot of people will say market shift. A lot of people will say change of character. So many words. I don't care. But market broke the structure, created a new low, which was all of this here, and it pulled back right there, which is that, and I'm looking for that, which is this. Oh yeah, we got what news pushed down? I don't know. That's my goal. That's the goal. That's the goal. It's not like major news. If it was like super major news, I probably would have got out already. But yeah, that's the goal, for it to just pop. Cause I'm just seeing dollar just boop. I just see dollar just going up. You know, it's acting off of these ranges, off of my midpoints. So if it hits TP1 though, I'm cashing out that one trade though. I'm gonna ride the other trade. That's a fact. Oh, actually, I got 2 trades set to TP1. That's cool too. Cause I'm out. I'm done after this. If we hit TP, shoot. If it hits TP before news, that's even better. What indicator do you use exactly? So there's an indicator that I do use. It is called Chart Prime. I talk about this a lot. Chart Prime is actually a bot sort of indicator. It's really good though. I do all my markups first and then I pull out Chart Prime. So Chart Prime right here for an example. I'll show you for a prime example. Let's say we did our full analysis and we're like, all right, y'all, we could be looking for some setups. I will pull this out, put in both, and it will kind of help guide you more into a trade that you already was set for bias. You know, rather if you seen sales, you see how here it says downtrend. That's like your other confirmation that you can use. So if you guys ever interested in Chart Prime, you can definitely check out the link. It's also in the description. They did give me a code that you guys can use to get a discount. It is called Solo E, all capitalized, and you guys can literally go ahead and use them ASAP, get it going. I honestly, like I said only use the indicator after you're doing your markups though, you know. But yeah, we tapping in, guys. I'm about to tap out. I'm getting out of trade. TP just hit. Oh damn, it took me out the trade already. All right, never mind. I wanted to ride that one trade. Fuck. I wanted to ride one trade. TP1 smash. Man, we are doing good today. Fuck. Drop a fire emoji if y'all just made money off this trade too. Golly, man. Y'all, let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. $200. Let's see what I made today. I think we're done for. Yeah, I'm done for today. 500. Y'all, damn. Today's a really good day. I did about 1600, I say. Oh my God, that's fucking amazing. All right, at this point, y'all, ride this joint risk free. This is a risk free trade. If you want to ride it, this is a risk-free trade. News is about to hit too. I want to stay and see what news is going to do. Let's stay and see what news is going to do. There's like medium news happening at what is it? In like 8 minutes. You are at an 80% win ratio. Crazy, man. That's what's up. Let's keep it at 80 and above. I feel like I do get better and better every year. So last year I did about 76 when I did all my calculations as far as what I was able to see. This year I would love for it to be above 80. I would love for it to be above 80. Did I change my live trades? Was it at 16 or 15? Golly. Was it at 16 or 15? Y'all gotta help me out. I can't remember. I don't even know what I just did. Fuck. I'm all over the place. Were we just at 15 and I just changed it to 16, right? Matter of fact, I'm about to tell myself what I did right now. Oh, yeah, we good. Never mind. All right, yeah, we was at 15. I had to rewind it. Gosh, y'all see what's funny? We had 3 wins. What are y'all getting the 3 wins from? How do we have 3 wins? Hold on. How do we have 3 wins? Please correct me. Because we only had 2 wins. If you considering TP 1 and 2 as a second, no, I don't do that. I count the overall trade as a win. Yeah, I count the overall trade as a win because I'll be capping if I say we did 3 wins. Re-entry. Muhammad, what did we re-enter on though? Yes, 2 wins. We did NAS and Euro. I got in 2 trades on Euro, but it's still 1 trade though. I got in 2 trades on NASDAQ, but it's still 1 trade. So it's technically 2 trades. I'm not finna do I ain't gonna do all that. I'll be lying if I do all that. So yeah, we did 2 trades. No, we did 2 trades, guys, because I basically told you what trades I got in, and yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it there. All right, because I can talk on and on. But tips for beginners, like I say, man, honestly, it's all about your mental. It's not the skills. Another thing I would say for anybody that is a new trader, please don't get caught up in all this lingo that you hear about this and that, or this and that. Like, for instance, I know there's some traders out there that know support and resistance, and then now you got these smart money concept traders coming in here and say, oh, you guys are dumb money traders trade support and resistance. What's another term for dumb money? Retail traders. What's a retail trader? Somebody that can't fucking move the market. We can't move the market if you're a smart money concept trader, so you are a retail trader too. So at the end of the day, do not get caught in the lingo. Do not get caught in the lingo. Just know the fundamentals of technical analysis. Know the fundamentals of price action, which is come down to candlestick patterns. You can learn that for sure. Once you adapt to candlestick patterns, you will also start understanding how if you see a lot of wicks at the top, less wicks at the bottom, that tells you that sellers are in. You can get in the market. And then also another thing too, focus on market structure. Understand the high and low. Every time you see a high and low, you see some structural strategy that was branded from. Every high and low is really the short term of a high and low. For when you see like a red and a green candle, one going up, one go down, that's a settlement. That is liquidity. What people like to do is spin it around, say, oh, this is an order block. Oh, this is supply demand. Or, oh, this is a major key level. Oh, this is support resistance. Or, oh, this is institutional level. It's all the same shit. So all you got to understand is the reaction of fundamentals. This is what I teach to my students. I tell them all the time, do not get caught in that bullshit. Everything is bullshit if it's created by somebody else. Because somebody else thinks it's bullshit while somebody else thinks it's not. So everything is all bullshit. My shit is bullshit. It's just facts because it's my strategy and it works for me. But a lot of people like my bullshit strategy because it works for them too. But then somebody hates it because it's like, ah, this ain't. So at the end of the day, whatever works for you works for you. It's all about how you interpret all that information. What I think about ICT, I actually learned the fair value gap off ICT. I like that. I love that a lot. He breaks things so super simple. There's also a couple other traders I respect. Q Banks, man, I love how he trades. I learned from him when I first started trading. He's the one that got me to the fundamentals of market structure. I love how he trades. There's another trader that probably a lot of y'all don't know. I'm about to plug him in right now. His name is called Wave Trader. He's a YouTuber. I think don't have a lot of subscribers, but he taught me how to. He teaches, all he does is wave theory, right? He used the trend line as the wave theory. It's beautiful. He's the one that got me to Elliott Wave. So like I said, everybody has their own bullshit. Don't think that somebody, just because, you know, ICT teach the fair value gaps very well, and he teach liquidity very well, and he teach the value of real discounted premium very well. Don't think that he's the god of trading. That's not true. He just broke down Wackoff in a way that is not Wackoff, and he just put it in his own brand. You know, you got other traders out there that talks about, like me, I got this whole liquidity phase, and I'm pretty sure if it really like boom, somebody else is gonna mention it, and then now they gonna think it's a thing, and it's not. It's just a way that I interpret it to simplify it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it's 12:30. News is supposed to be hitting with what is it? Anything crazy? Hold up. Oh yeah, the thematic news. That's what I like to call it. I need to start putting. I'm gonna start putting on here the news, so we all can watch it too while we trade. Look at dollar though, it's booming. It's just dropping, and it's gonna keep dropping possibly. After months, your game has changed my mental. It's an ICT mentor is Larry Wilson. There's a lot of like the Bollinger Bands. I forgot who created. What's his name? He created it. You also got the William Indicator. He created some dope stuff. You also have Elliott Wave himself, Fibonacci himself. Oh my gosh, bro! I think the Fibonacci. What's his name? I can't remember his full name, but he is a genius. He is a genius. Not only the Fibonacci is used in trading, but it's used in life. It's used in structuring. Doctors use it. Everybody uses it. Balance. Like, come on, y'all. It's crazy. What else? We got it's so much out there, man. I just can't keep up. So much out there, y'all. So much out there. You the man, Solo. I made six euros today in your trades. Just tapped in your nice, man. If y'all still riding NASDAQ, I mean, not NASDAQ. If y'all still riding euro, risk free it now. Solo trading. I have a problem with money lost from trades. I always trade to make it back, and I thought, wait, what? You said you have a, okay, so David, you said you have a problem with the money lost from trades. I always try to make it back. Okay, right there, that's revenge trading. And I thought that every time I make 10%, I should withdraw my profits. So you're basically going through a phase of just trying to handle your mental. That's, believe it or not, that's the hardest thing, but the easiest thing to understand. One thing I will tell you is please have a trading plan. Write it down. Don't have it mentally in your mind. Write it down. I have one. Write it down. I watch Mint FX. Oh, another great one, guys. I don't even like throwing other YouTubers out there, but another. Okay, I'm gonna give you my top YouTubers that I truly respect to the T. Just the way that they trade, the way they teach, and the people they learn from. You know, I will hope they will do the same, and nobody throw shade on nobody else. I love ICT. Okay, ICT is great. He teaches something that nobody else can teach in a way that makes sense, you know, to a lot of advanced traders. Mint FX, he does really good with when he talks about smart money concept trading. I actually just discovered him like a couple months ago, and I was following a couple of his videos. I'm like, yeah, this he teaches really well with that. Another trader that I really like is like I say, some of these aren't in YouTubers. Q Banks, I like the way that he trades. He's been trading the same style forever. Another trader is called Wave Trader. He does really well with wave theory. He will literally just have trend lines on his charts and nothing else. and he will make so much money off just trading that. But those are the ones I truly like. Oh, another great trader that I also do respect is, I know a lot of y'all know him. What's his name? Doyle Exchange. I like how I watch a couple of his videos on how he trades. He keeps it very fucking simple. He trades supply, demand, it seems like liquidity and all that. Perfect. Simple. You know, he simplifies it for a lot of people. Who else? I'm just trying to think of like YouTubers that I can think of that I like really respect. There's some other people I can't think of their name. It's not clicking to me right now. I gotta really like see. There's some other YouTubers out there though. Trading it, yeah, that he's one. Rajah Banks, I haven't really tapped into him. I've been hearing about him though. Wills, I haven't really tapped into him either. Like, there are a lot of y'all that y'all name, I haven't really tapped into them. No female trades. What? No female trades you fund up? What? I don't know if you saying, is there any female traders? Lambo, he does real good, but I'm not really like tapped into his stuff. Mamba, not really tapped into his stuff. I'm just mentioning people that I like do look at, you know. Swaggy, I know he's really popular, but I'm not really tapping into his stuff. Uncle Tad, I don't know who that is. Rajah Banks, like I said, Rajah Banks, I've been hearing about him. Daniel Savage, definitely been seeing his videos. Is there any female traders that I admire? Trader Nick is definitely tapped in there. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do a video on who I think like. I just feel like it's gonna be a whole conspiracy thing when I do it, because I'm gonna start ranking my top, and then everybody's like, no, you should put him in top. But yeah, Trader Nick is definitely solid. I like how he does everything. Official Lens, yeah, she is probably the only female trader I see right now that is actually doing like crushing shit. I love her live streams. Yeah, guys, like I said, there's a lot of great traders out there. Right, there's a lot of great traders out there. I'm not knocking nobody down. Like, everybody got their own way of trading. It's just what works for you, what makes sense for you. I already had to explain why I opened this trade. I appreciate that. You're a good trader. I appreciate that. Are you planning to keep live trading all the time? Yes, I do. As long as we can keep the likes up, absolutely. How many trades entries do you do in a day on the VIP? That varies a lot. You guys are mentioning some YouTubers that I do not know. You know trades by Matt? No, I feel like I've seen his channel before. Can't wait for the VIP event. Advice for starters: focus on your mental, man, and don't get caught up in all of the other lingo. What do you think you should look up for fundamentals? I ain't even gonna lie, guys. When it comes to anything for fundamentals, like trying to get fundamentals, Google everything. That's what I did. And then if you want to like figure out how to use it in today's area of trading, that's when you can start going on YouTube. I'm gonna definitely do a video on my top 10 besides me. I'm gonna put myself at number 1, but everybody else I'm gonna put my top 10. I'm gonna definitely do a video on that. And I'm explaining why these are my top 10. I just feel like that video is about to go crazy. So many people about to be mad. So many people about to be happy. Also, guys, another trader too that I want you guys to check out YouTube is Trading LP. Oh, another trader that, oh, you know what? Somebody did mention. There's another trader I've seen. He's been doing like a lot of talking about funded accounts. We just tapped TP2. He talks about a lot of funded accounts. His name is Will FX. Yeah, I think somebody mentioned him. Will FX. I think, yeah. I've been tapping into his videos too. Oh yeah, we good, man. I mean, at this point, y'all, we crushing it. This is fire, guys. So that's funny. We about to smash TP3. Let's smash TP3 and then we out, boy. Oh gosh, Lee. Yeah, he's only 18. Oh, I didn't know Will FX was 18. I know he definitely get a lot of love on his videos. Something like that would make sense too. Yep, RTP smash. RTP smash. Y'all, what a great day. Even better day to have every TP smash. Like, come on now. It can't get even better than that. Like, let's see. About how many pips we caught off of this one? 40 pips. This one was points wise. We're looking about point wise 7,000. So I think what, 7? We're gonna say. Felt like I should keep holding, so I said we got like pip wise 72, about 200 as far as pip calculations. Really 100. We're gonna go to 100 to round it off. I know people have that for a week as their goal for pips. So guys, if you're not tapped into my Discord, make sure you tap into my Discord, because we do live streams on Discord. Tomorrow I will not be going live. I will be going live only on Discord. So if you are tapped into the Discord in the VIP section, you definitely want to tap in. And then other than that, guys, tomorrow also is the final day of the giveaway for Hanko Trade. That's what we will be doing, $500 giveaway. And then I think I have to announce the winner on Monday. I will have to announce it on Monday. The Discord, I do have a free section. Yes, so that is free. That is up there. I still post on the free section. Everybody else posts on there, giving out their ideas and so forth. That's why that's there. Will you be live only in Discord VIP? Yeah, tomorrow I will be live. Guys, once again, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. We had a very great day today. After news, a lot of people was like, it's too late to trade. Nah, not for me. It's never late. Well, it is actually always sometimes late, but as far as entry wise, but as far as us catching moves, we did catch some play. 30-second entries, guys. That's why I got the title on there. 30-second entries mainly. We did 30-second entry on NASDAQ, 1 to 30-second, and we did 1 minute to 30-second entries on Euro USD. And you guys see that nothing changes as far as my bias on scaling down further. It's all the same shit. We're choosing the winner based off the percentage profit made, because it would be unfair if somebody put a $5,000 account and somebody put a $100 account and they made their money up. So we're doing based off percentage wise as far as wins. But if we see your wins is all 0.01, you're just getting and tapping out, you're disqualified. And I'm sure if y'all took the trades, I think so far we had all winners except for if you VIP. We did take one L, which is cool. Happens. Shit. Can I extend it? No, I can't, because we doing another challenge next week. We're going to be doing a funded account giveaway with Offspring FX next week. We're going to be doing that next week. Yeah, so you guys definitely want to make sure you tap into that. But hey, everybody, today was good. I will see you guys Monday. If you are in the VIP, I will be calling out signals tomorrow. Nope, only signals tomorrow. VIP only. Everybody take care. See y'all Monday. Otherwise, see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
All the times we had is, all the backbone we been, calling you saying we were just friends, be in the block until it ends. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, no. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, yeah. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Better protect me your head, cause you know that you're giving up time. Dropped a new top in the Porsche, I tell you I need it a lot. Panorama view, I know that you see what this shit can do. Watch your autos on the coupe. Turn off the lights and now we go poof. Diamonds out. Sliding the DM is love again. Fucking in the couch. Picture you and you in tub again. I know you say that it's love or friends. Bouncing hit it hard as up again. Bouncing cities going up again. Fuck it, we finna make it songs we had is. All the backbone we been. All the backbone. Calling you saying we were just friends. Be in the block until it ends. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, no. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, yeah. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, no. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me, yeah. Nothing is different from me, you. Nothing is different from me. Nothing is different from me, you.